Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Thursday, the 9th of August 2018, and we are going to take a look at the daily chart of the Golem cryptocurrency, GNT to the PLN. So this cryptocurrency was listed on the 19th of July 2018, and since then it dropped in value. As we can see here, we got this big entry candle that has a high at the level of 3.88 and the low at the level of 1. Since then, the market was consolidating here around the level of 1.20 and 1, and this candle breaks and closes below this psychological level of the support at the level of 1, and since then we are in this downtrend that is being continued until even yesterday, when the local low was made at the level of 0.68. As we can see here, we got this trend line here, and right now most of the traders are waiting for this market to break above this trend line. Of course, this will be a valid sign of bulls that are taking the control over the market, and then the obvious next level of the resistance is the level of 1, right? So this is the most important level right now for every market participant, the level of 1, psychological level, round number, and at the same time the level of resistance right now. What will happen if the market will break a little bit higher? When then the next level is here at 1.20, but then we can see what will happen after this level is violated. Right now we are still in a local downtrend, and the lowest level are still possible, but if we just break through this trend line, then we can say that bulls have the control and they will be targeting the level of 1. So that's the key level in the short and in the long term on the Golem cryptocurrency. Right, thank you very much for this short video analysis. Hope you enjoy it. Have a successful trading and see you next time. Bye bye.